Ka Integrated Command and Control Center Saudi Shillong kalong kum ka jebing ka so Shillong ban pengo yong jiman hakaleng ka so hakani sentala banyu ishna clear ya kan ngono ka jaka duk yeu ki hat ki kali jaka pajba bat kayat kayeng jong ki kali kasuka ka bu ikan ka senta ban pengo ya ke jingyang pathar ki kali ke jingyat kram ko bat kiwe hakabala banyu ik syai clear kani kan pensuk ban bistom gitu ki balai tam ne yat bi an ba gitu ki ba berat jabo patha bar kiwe ki jingthut hakim lang sa lang don kumbalai spa tam ki CCTV kamera ki labu hakaleng kan ba Shillong bat bro ki jingtip la poi bat lalum lut hakate ki jaka kani kan yarap lu ban thwet ji balai kam sneu bar kiwe ki kam pen koma Shillong bar ki kam be an bidang ba ka jula konat ki sangma wa jurip ki jaka ong ba kani kesenta kan pensuk ban penyoy ki jinglong jingman ka so Shillong kam tam hakayat ki yang ki kali bar kiwe ki kam ya kan kesenta la te sibenta jong smart city project
entry into SRGT.
Yes. That's the, we came from there. Came up from there. We came around in 11:15. 11:15.
E-challans will be automatically generated
And sent to the concerned.
Yes.
That's
and they will have to pay the challan. Otherwise,
and challan dena payega, they will court mein jaake.
Yes, once generated.
So that way what happens is that we have no human intervention.
No.
It's automatic, like Delhi and all happens later on.
Yes, sir. Can connect and can search against this database.
जैसे सुबह हम लोग पोलो में थे, we went for polo inspection. You have record of that? Have you recorded us? Have your cameras recorded us?
No, sir. But database has to.
Oh.
Chaos.
School closing time.
It's live, huh?
Yeah, live, yes.
Yeah, 2:46.
Dangerous, sir. सारा स्कूल एक साथ छुट्टी होना तो dangerous.
तो दिखाओ पोलो. This is the license plate information.
Moving content. And then your husband data monitoring, no parking, then sir object move detection, people down, or person collapsing, and pollution vehicle detection. These are enable features. So we have been working from the overspeed. The overspeed also, sir, the police traffic has to define that. In this, they have to virtually define. In this area, the speed limit should be 60 km/h.
So we'll be coming out with the rules and
Sir.
the specifications of parking zones.
Yes, sir.
No parking zones.
Yes, sir.
So that. So we are here in the ICCC, and as you can see behind me, the screen for monitoring the different cameras. About 320 plus cameras are connected right now, and already modules to monitor the traffic movement, monitor people who are parking in no parking zones, or individuals who are overspeeding or without helmet. These kind of information is being captured as we speak on this particular technology platform. And this will now enable the police, especially the traffic department, to manage the traffic in a much better manner. And as I said, the information is so accurate that it even captures the vehicle number of the vehicle, and therefore necessary then actions can be taken by the traffic police. And this technology will now further be expanded by implementing more softwares and modules for detecting aspects of fire breakout happening in any part of the city, where immediate information will be coming to us through this technology, or whether even garbage management, where you can actually see the garbage bins which are maybe overflowing, or trash is being collecting in certain places. So the applications are very versatile and very broad, and we'll be able to do those as we move along and as we activate the modules. But as you can see that this ICCC already is starting to show a lot of promise to make the city smart and allow in the overall management of the city in a much better manner. And we have our personnel from the urban department, the police department, and other departments who are already sitting here and monitoring. And we hope to strengthen this days to come.